Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Goyal. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So today I'm going to start with a new module which is based on SEO. So this module will give you an idea on different aspects to learn SEO. So let's start with the module. Let's start with a brief definition on search engine optimization. So what is search engine optimization? It refers to the technique that help your website rank higher in organic or natural search result. So what happens here? Let's suppose here this is your website and now you want your website is ranked on the first page of your Google search engine result page organically. For this you have to do search engine optimization here. Okay, so search engine optimization help you to make your website more visible to the people who are looking for your product or services via search engine. When user simply mention their query on search engine which is related to your product and services, so search engine help your website visible to those people on the search engine. You need to keep track of and understand some emerging trends, like what are the emerging trends here, what are the new features in your search related products and the tool that is your search console. So you have to understand that. You have to understand your audience, that is how they behave, what they want. Okay, after getting knowledge about all these, now you can do very good in your search engine optimization here. Okay, so search engine optimization is basically about understanding what people are searching for online. We are doing keyword research in search engine optimization, and with the help of this keyword research, here we understand like what people are searching for online, the word they are using, the type of content they wish to consume. Okay, after knowing the answer of these questions will allow you to connect to the people who are searching online for the solution you offer, and then we use this particular keyword which we figure out with the help of keyword research. We use these keywords in our website and we will try to rank our website on Google search engine result page. Okay, so next is why it is important for your business website to be listed on search engine. Like, as we have so many websites on the search engine, so why it's compulsory for your business? What are the main benefits your business is getting when they rank on search engine? So on Google alone, there are over 6,94,000 searches conducted every second. Okay, so in every second your website is not indexed on the Google. Okay, so in that case you are potentially missed out of 100 if not thousands of opportunities for someone to visit your website, read your content and potentially buy your product and services. Okay, so practicing SEO basics as well as more advanced technique, often those can drastically improve your website's ability to rank in the search engine and get found by your potential customers. Okay, SEO is the most viable and cost-effective way to both understand and reach customers in key moments that matter. Okay, because in case of SEO, we want to rank our website organically. Okay, so for SEO, the advertisement cost you don't need to spend. The cost which you spend on the SEO is very less as comparison to your advertisement campaigns. Okay, so SEO increasing organic visibility and high quality website traffic. Okay, in case of SEO, here we do efforts in the way that our website is ranked on Google search engine result page. For this, it can improve your organic visibility, leading to increased website traffic and is a monumental benefit of SEO. Okay, so search engine optimization is hyper targeted and your customer centric. Because in case of search engine optimization, our every research is conducted on the basis of your customers' information, your customers' query, whatever be the information they want to get, whatever be the word they are using to search their particular information. Okay, and an effective SEO strategy will help deliver your web pages to a relevant audiences via pertinent search query. Okay, next is SEO offers impressive ROI. What it means? See, search engine visibility directly correlate to boosted web traffic and increased revenue, making your return on investment one of the most significant SEO benefit for many companies. Okay, that is also the one of the reason that we are doing SEO. SEO improves credibility and trust. See what happened here when user put any query on Google. Let's suppose Google is our most populated search engine, and let's suppose if user puts some query or some keyword on Google, in that case they rely that Google will provide a good quality and relevant result to their users, and that's why they rely on their result, so they click on the first or second result which are provided by Google. Okay, because they trust on the Google that the content which Google provide them at the higher ranking, that must having good quality and that must be relevant to your query. Okay, so trust is developed by search engine authority and a high quality product or services that build credibility among visitors. SEO provide 24/7 support. In that case, here, in case of your paid ads campaign, what happened here? In case of paid ads campaign, you have one budget here, okay? And your ad will showcase only till this particular budget will exist, okay? But once your budget is going to end, in that case, your ad is also not visible there. In that case, in case of SEO, once you are doing effort and once after putting some efforts, if your website is ranked organically on Google, in that case, it is there 24/7. Okay, your efforts do not stop after your work hour. So SEO is a unique because it allows your company to reach users while they are searching for you. Okay, SEO targets the entire market funnel. Why I am saying this? Because in case of SEO, the main pillar is content marketing. Whatever be the content you deliver to your audiences, their quality, their relevancy, that is really important in SEO point of view. Okay, so content marketing driven by SEO, that includes a variety of content type, targeting every stage of the marketing funnel. We have different stage in our marketing funnel. First one is our awareness stage. Next is our interest. Then we have consideration. Then we have conversion. And then we have retention. Okay, so what happened here in case of SEO, we can create content to aware our audience, to generate interest in your product and services. Okay, we can create our product and services content in this way that they can consider our particular product and services and they purchase them. They can make conversion them. Okay, and we again target that type of content so that our users will available on my website for a long time. They spend lot of time and they do more and more purchasing from our website. Okay, as you reach your entire target audience. What does mean entire target audience? Okay, it means that in one case you can target multiple audiences. For example, let's suppose we have one company. They provide RO as a product and RO as a service. Okay, let's suppose. So in that case, we have two type of audiences there. One who want only product, second who want only services, and third who want product and services both. So we have three type of audiences here. In that case, what we can do with the help of SEO, SEO is equally effective for companies targeting various audiences, perhaps with the same services. Okay, so SEO optimize your user experience. User experience really matters a lot in case of your search engine optimization, because let's suppose if someone visit on your website, they just look at the content, and if they are not found your quality and the relevant content on your website, in that case they immediately get back to your website. Okay, in that case your bounce rate is increasing here. Bounce rate means when someone visited on your website and do nothing, do no click on your website, that is known as bounce. In that case, if you have high bounce rate here, in that case it will tell Google that the web page is not valuable for the user and often resulting in lower ranking. Okay, so a Google user expects to have his or her query answer in a moment. So this is all about your SEO. These are the some importance about SEO, like why we have to do SEO here. Okay, so in our upcoming modules we will learn more about SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video.